Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I wanted to share with you an alternate project idea using the February Paper Pumpkin Kit. So if you are not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription box that comes to your door with everything that you need to create the projects that are included inside. So sometimes they are cards or sometimes they are 3D projects. For the month of February, the kit is called Wildflower Wishes. So these are the 3 projects. You get to make 3 of each of these cards. So there's a thank you, a friend, and then a celebrate card. And then there's these fun little envelopes that you can add these different little stickers that come in the kit. So let me just show you kind of a close-up of those projects. So here's the Celebrate Your Awesomeness. Then this one says, hello, sweet friend. And then this one says, thank you so much. But the kit includes directions. So you can open this up and you've got directions inside. And then you've even got a little ruler to help you when you measure out your ribbon and things like that. And the thing that I love about the kit is that every month you get an exclusive stamp set that you can only get inside of your Paper Pumpkin kits. And these stamp sets are really great. They come with a lot of different sentiments, and then there's always some fun images that you can add to your project. So like here we've got all of these fun little wildflowers that you can add on, and then this little line image that was used to decorate the envelopes as well. So there was tons of stuff in this kit. Vellum, lots of sticker sheets, which I love, the cool lined envelopes, you've got pearls, there's a spool of twine somewhere buried down here. Here we go. The cute little adhesive pearls, and then there's always an ink spot for stamping your project. In this month, for the month of February, we got Garden Green. So just, it's packed full of so much great stuff. I really, really love these kits. So if you're interested in subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, I think March would be a great month to subscribe, because in March, Paper Pumpkin will celebrate its 5-year anniversary. So there will be an exclusive anniversary box, which I love getting those anniversary boxes each year, and there will be a free gift included in the box in addition to everything else to create the projects. So if you're interested, you need to subscribe by March the 5th, and I've got a link just below the video in the description notes. It says subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. You can click that link and go ahead and get your subscription in with me so that you are ready to go to get your 5th anniversary box. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use a variety of supplies from this kit. Really, I'm only using supplies from this kit, except for I did add some basic black cardstock to the mix, and then I'm going to use my basic black archival ink by Stampin' Up. But other than that, I'm using only supplies in the kit to create an alternate project idea. All right, so I'm going to take this little thank you. I had trouble peeling this one up when I made the 3 of the projects from the kit. This one didn't want to peel up that well. So I'm just gonna pop these little letters out. I'm not going to use the letters for this particular one, so I'll get these all popped out. All right, so what I want to do is take this, and I'm just going to lay this on top of this little piece of basic black that I cut down, because I want it to have black show through to make this really pop. Okay, so just like that. And then I'm going to bring this sheet back in. See if I can pop up this little A. And I'm just going to put that A right here just so that I can press that little piece of the A down. There we go, so that you can tell that's an A. And then I'll do the same thing with this O. So in the kit, there are these little vellum banners. So you've got 2 sizes. There's a large one, and then there's this smaller size. So I'm gonna take this, and then my basic black archival ink, and I want to add the sentiment big time. There's a big time in there and a so much. And I wanted to say thank you, big time. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this so it has a chance to dry on that vellum. So there it is, big time. All right, so set that to the side. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my piece of basic black to my card base. And surprise, surprise, I am going to use snail adhesive. I never use snail adhesive, but I thought, let me give this stuff a try. Okay, so I'm just going to add this onto the front. So now I'm going to add this little label piece. I'm gonna add this right here on the card, and then I'm gonna cut this overhang off. So I'll just put a little bit of snail adhesive. Now in the kit there are glue dots that you could use. They just take a little bit of time to pop all of those on, so I'm just using the snail to speed things up. And then now I will trim this off. All right, so now I've got that all cut down, and then I want to add my thank you on right here, and I actually think I want to add that on dimensionals, but what I'm gonna do is I just want to line this up. I want to line those little edges up right here. I think that looks good. And then I'm going to flip it over, bring in my snips, and cut off this overhang. All right, so I've got my dimensionals here on the back. So before I add that on, let me go ahead and add this layer onto the front of my card. Again, with snail adhesive. Center that on top of the basic black. And now I will add this layer on. Okay, just center this on top of that colored pattern piece. Make sure I've got that where I want it. Perfect. Give it a press. Okay, so far this is what we have, and I really like how this card is turning out. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my big time, and I want to adhere this right about here. So it's going to hang off the edge a little bit and also cover up part of that Y, but it's vellum, so you can see through it. So I want to put that right about here. And then I want to also add these little vellum leafy pieces that are included in the kit. I was thinking I could put these, let's see, let me flip this one around. I was thinking I could put these like this, and then this little piece over top, sort of like this. Okay, so my original idea of having these little leafy pieces right here is not going to work. I wanted these to go right here, and then I wanted the word or the little sentiment that says big time. I wanted that to go on top like this, and then I wanted to put one of those flower stickers right here. That is not gonna work because I thought I had more room on here when I was imagining this card in my mind, but the sticker is going to cover up the U. So I'm thinking I'll have to put scratch this, and I'm thinking I'll put the big time right about here, and then I'll bring in one of these little blue flowers here and stick it on. I don't know if I want some of that banner to show or none of it to show. Maybe I want some of that end to hang off. So maybe I'll stick this right about here. You can still see that says U, so I think that would be okay. So maybe stick that right there, and then just to be sure that that is stuck down, let me see here. Maybe add a little glue dot also behind there. Okay, Okay, so that's cute. And then I think I want to add a third or two more of these little flowers, like maybe one here. And maybe I'll do, should I do a pink one? Oh yeah, maybe I'll do a pink one. I thought I wanted 3 blue ones, but maybe I'll do a pink one. That's cute, I'll do that. And then where I had that little glue dot, it kind of did something funky there. So I'll just add one of these little pearls right there. I hadn't planned to add pearls to this design, but I'll just add a little pearl right there. And there we go. Isn't that so cute? I really love how this turned out. So it's a little bit different than what I had envisioned, because I thought I was gonna have this little cluster of leaves and a flower there, and then these 2 flowers I had in my mind would be here, but just had to make a little adjustment, but I really, really like it. What do you guys think? I love playing around with these kits and seeing what else you can come up with. It's really a lot of fun, and I only added 2 additional Stampin' Up! Products to it. So you can do a lot with the supplies that are included in these kits to change up the original idea. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this alternate project idea, and I just went ahead and brought out the original sample from the directions just so that you can see what we were able to create. I really love it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this alternate idea. If you'd like to find the measurements for this project, you can head on over to today's blog post. I've got them over there. There's a link to that blog post down below the video in the description notes. So you can check that out over there. And also, don't forget to subscribe by March the 10th if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can receive the Paper Pumpkin anniversary box and that surprise free gift that will be inside. So thanks again for joining me today, you guys, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Bye now.